Guangzhou Putin Electronic Co. Ltd. Established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of solar inverter, car inverter, pure sine wave inverter, UPS inverter and PCBA board, PWM and MPPT solar charger, portable power station, home energy storage. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access. We have an excellent cooperation team dedicated to product design and development from R&D team with 0.15 professional engineers, quality control and inspection from production team, and company operation from administration team. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001-2015, ISO 4001-2015, ISO 45001-2018, CE, RoHS certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Germany, Hungary, Poland, Spain, Colombia, Mexico, Argentina, Peru, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Nigeria, Korea, Vietnam, Malaysia, etc. We also welcome OEM, ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With management idea of innovation, steady win-win. We are doing our best to be the top-ranking power inverter enterprise in the world, providing good performance and high-quality inverting products to customers.